raspberry yogurt. And I got all these ingredients. Okay, you can make this at home if you want to. We'll put some of this in there. And this is, I don't know how I'm going to eat it because it's such a tiny spoon. And also, I opened the yogurt.
That's chocolate.
I mean chocolate. Now I'm going to just, now anointing this up. And I'm going to stir it. What at the jar? It's so weird.
It looks red on the video. I don't know why.
Now guys, it isn't wet. And this was quite wet.
That's brown.
What at, let's see. I liked it. We got some more. Remember, you can make this at home if you watch my video. I'll put some more chocolate in it. Ah. And I stirred it in. And that's what's so weird. You think it's weird? I don't know. I say it's good, but you can make this at home. I'll see you later. Bye.